Hello everyone and welcome to FortLab. While you weren't looking, I made some renovations to my new fort. As you can see, all my earlier inventions I built are right over here. This one is an oven. So basically the sun hits this metal plate and it bounces off and goes in there and it's trapped and the heat is trapped inside, right? And then this one is a piano. See, when you type a key, it hits that and then it makes noise. And this one, it's kind of like an arcade game. You try to use this and you can like try to catch things. And you put it in there, and then once it's in there, you open this and take it out from there. Now, let me show you the inside. You might notice this piece of wood when you walk in. That piece of wood is to hold up the ceiling so that it doesn't fall. Okay, now I'm going to start building one of my multiple forts in the basement. First, I have to figure out where I'm going to build in the basement. Oh, that's a good spot. I'm going to build right over here. It's a nice amount of space. I'm going to use this box for more room. Okay, there's a lot of room here, so it might work. Sharding machine. So, now I have to find materials. I'm not going to get all my materials in the basement here. I found this green mat. This could be useful for my fort. Ew, a plug. Plugs are also very useful. Remove this box. Then I'm gonna here. Okay. As you can see, here's the inside, and there's even a door to get out. And then once you're over here, you can just go upstairs into my mom and dad's bedroom, and then go out and into the hallway. Or you could use this as a door. Let's do that. Or you could do this. Okay, now I'm gonna make a ceiling. Because what is a fort like without a ceiling? Well, it's a fort where you make it so tall it's touching the ceiling. Okay, now I have to find a big blanket. And there's a flat wall, so I need something there. I'm gonna get a key. Right now I have to get a sheet. Okay, this is my room. To get into the room with all the sheets. Oh, a lot of sheets here. No, that one's little. This is heavy, but it could work. Too small. So right now I have to find a really good one. I'll use this. See, this is pretty big. Okay.
Your food has been served.
Oh. Right now I am going to take a quick lunch break while I explain to you what my fort's going to look like. So, basically, it's just going to be like this room with the green mat. And the room is going to have this on top. But there's a wall there. So, I'd have to use the sofa and like tape the mattress there. But the bad thing about this mattress is like this part is really heavy, like a towel, and it won't work that well. So it's going to be hard to tape because it's heavy. But this room is going to be white, which is going to trap the cold, and then the cold, it's going to be so freezing cold in there that it's going to make the food like freezing cold, and that's going to be good for the food if it's like a fruit. Okay, right now I'm gonna grab my plate and go downstairs. And as you can see here, I'm gonna like just put this over. So first I'm gonna go to this side and this over and go around like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have to extend this. Working. Okay, so I have to do another idea. I'm just gonna I'm making it smaller, but it's going to be more stable. Now, I'm going to put it over. And then open this piece here. It's not working. Okay. It's not working. I need something different to use. Because this one is supposed to be going around heat, so this part it's not helping. So I have to find a different blanket. I need something. Something that doesn't go around heat. So.
But they already have the room up there for it. Why were you guys advertising? Is that true?
This is good, but it might be too small. So I'm gonna see. So I'm gonna see if I can find anything that will work for bowling it in my bedroom. Okay. This might work. It might be too small. I'm gonna go into the other room and I'm gonna see if I can find anything. No. Okay. So I have to use that blanket. And this blanket might be too heavy and it might be too small.
Wait, word from our sponsors.
So it's hard to then say now. And it's also hard to say now. They made a livable when
So
that's
cute.
not what you said when you were texting
Okay.
about moving out. You said you do it, and you have to do it. My verdict is for the plaintiffs in the amount of $1,300 for the monthly loans. As for the counterclaim that you have for $800, I think you've got a good counterclaim. It's against the landlord asking you to have it removed.
Okay. Might work. Okay. Now I've gotta put this over. Put it way over. Okay. I'm gonna put something heavy on top. What's heavy? I guess I could maybe use this. Oh, this. Okay. Come back next time for part 3 of the video. Goodbye.